RMLS number 17441041. Beautifully restored 1888 home. Move-in ready and quick possession are only two of the benefits of owning this home located in much-wanted Sellwood area. Approximately 3,200 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 4 baths, office, separate studio apartment with separate entrance. There is space for everyone. Loads of storage, fenced backyard and decks. Call Fran Hiner of RE/MAX Equity Group at 503-320-1523.